Hi there! In this video, I will be showing you how to make the dough and how to assemble and shape my wreath bread with specially prepared ground beef fillings. The fillings were cooked the day before and refrigerated overnight to allow this to cool completely, making it easier to work with when assembling, preventing the bread from becoming soggy, and for better texture and flavor in the final product. Sometimes allowing the fillings to cool overnight can enhance the flavor as the beef, vegetable ingredients, and seasoning blend together. When done manually, bread making process is often considered relaxing because it involves repetitive, rhythmic motions like kneading, combined with the sensory experience like smelling the yeast as the dough rises and the bread itself as it bakes in the oven. It essentially provides a focused activity that can take your mind off daily stresses. When baking bread, the water temperature should be between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows the yeast to activate. This recipe calls for gradually adding warm water to ensure proper hydration of the dry ingredients, allowing for better control of the consistency of the dough. Adding the water too quickly can lead to a sticky or overly elastic dough, which is hard to work with and can be frustrating to shape. This can be fixed by adding extra flour, a little at a time. Make sure that you measure or weigh how much you added to be able to adjust the recipe next time you bake. To save time and energy, I like kneading my dough using my KitchenAid stand mixer with a dough hook attachment. For best results, Speed 2 setting provides enough power to properly knead the dough without overworking it. As far as kneading time on a stand mixer, it normally takes 7 to 10 minutes depending on the dough's consistency. The dough is ready when it forms a firm ball that pulls away from the sides of the bowl. It should also be smooth and elastic, and you should be able to stretch it without it breaking. The dough rises best in warmer temperatures around 80 degrees Fahrenheit. If your kitchen is too cold, the yeast won't have the right conditions to rise the dough. My kitchen temperature is 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Putting hot water under the bowl will help my dough during the first rise. After an hour of first rise, release the gas by gently pressing the dough down or punching it. Rolling the dough with a rolling pin can release a significant amount of gas trapped within it. This is the assembly part of the video. You'll see everything you need to complete this recipe, from spreading the softened butter, spreading the strained sweet pickle relish, how to evenly distribute the beef fillings, sprinkle the cheese evenly, moistening the edges, rolling the dough into a log, pinching the seam and ends to seal, making sure that the dough log is even in size from end to end. How to cut and lay the cut side, keeping the wreath rounded shape. What to do on the second rice. How to brush with egg wash before baking to create a beautiful golden brown crust with a slight sheen, essentially enhancing the visual appeal of the finished product by giving it a more professional look, and of course, the baking part and how the product looks like when it is done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.